The most expensive coffee in the world costs $100 per cup and is made from beans found in the elephant poop. The beans are sold for as much as $1,100 per kilogram. Meet Don Pablo Escobar, the man who burned 2 million US dollars just because he was short of firewood and his daughter was feeling cold. Modern humans first appeared over 2 lakh years ago, but record keeping did not begin until 6,000 years ago, meaning at least 97% of human history has not been documented. In 2004, farmers in India used Coca-Cola and Pepsi instead of pesticides because they were cheaper and got the job done just as well. Whale milk has 30 to 50% fat content and often has the consistency of toothpaste. Most high quality hair extensions worn by celebrities are made from temple hair, sourced from religious organizations in India, Myanmar, and China that shave women's head for ritual purpose and then sell it to support the temples. During landing and takeoff, NASA astronauts wear orange spacesuit and white for outer space mission. People were buried alive so often in the 19th century that a safety coffin was invented so the dead would have the ability to alert those above ground if they were still alive. Chrysippus, an ancient Athenian philosopher, died from laughing at one of his own jokes. Ancient Egyptians used to give patients rotten vegetable as a treatment for different infections, which was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928 to be containing penicillin, the first antibiotic to be discovered by modern medicine. The only brown panda in the world was abandoned by his mother at the age of 2 months and was bullied by other pandas, now has his own caretaker in Fopping Panda Valley in China. Genghis Khan was responsible for the death of so many people that the Earth's carbon level dropped by almost 700 million tons. Marie Curie is the only woman in this picture among the great scientists, and she is the only one who has been awarded 2 Nobel Prizes. Shirley Bassey, wearing a 13 kg dress made of 1,56,000 diamante stones in 1960. The all-time highest temperature ever recorded is 134 degrees Fahrenheit or 56.7 degrees Celsius on July 10, 1913 at the Greenland Ranch in the Death Valley. A crowd in London gathered to observe the first 2-minute silence for those killed in World War I on November 1, 1919. In Iraq, in the book market, books remain in the street at night because Iraqis say the reader does not steal and the thief does not read. In 1924, Pep the Labrador Retriever was sentenced to life in prison without parole after being framed for killing the government cat. When limited water is available, rinse your mouth for 30 seconds before swallowing since most of your thirst comes from a dry mouth. In 1994, a 75-pound bag of cocaine fell out of a plane and landed in the middle of a Florida Crime Watch meeting. This American soldiers reading about Hitler's death in the newspaper, the title alone takes off half a page. When eating noodles in Japan, slurping loudly means the food is tasty. It is considered rude not to slurp. Kenyan women start to discover a way to recycle plastic waste into bricks that are stronger than concrete. China is reportedly first consumer of snack wine, which is an alcoholic beverage produced by infusing whole snack in grain alcohol. School bus are yellow in color because you can see yellow faster than any other color, even 1.24 times faster than red. Chewing gum boosts mental proficiency and is considered a better tasted than caffeine, but nobody knows why. In 2013, a Saudi man who weighed 1,340 pounds, making him second heaviest person ever recorded, was ordered by the King of Saudi Arabia to lose weight. By 2017, he weighed just 150 pounds. A doctor intentionally overdosed himself on cocaine just to write down the last minute experience of the drug before death. Queen Elizabeth uses her handbag to send signals to her staff, such as passing it from one hand to other when she wants a conversation to end. Jackie Chan's father was a spy and mother was a drug dealer. They met through an arrest. As the Titanic sank, one female passenger refused to leave her dog and chose to stay. She was found dead in the water holding her dog in her arms. If you go on Google and type 52.376552 or 5.198303, you will see a man dragging a dead body into a lake. Only 2% of human beings have natural green eyes, making it the rarest eye color. The Dead Sea is so dense with salt so you can easily float on it without drowning. This is the largest library in the world, just opened in China and has 1.2 million books. A Norwegian student once spent $27 on bitcoins, forgot about them, and a few years later realized they were worth $886K. The sun may be older than the earth, but the water we drink is older than the sun. Iron Man was created by Stan Lee as a challenge to create a hero with personality no one should like and still force people to like him. The world is a cruise ship where you can live as a permanent resident and wake up in different country every morning. Virat Kohli only consumes water bottle named Evian. The water bottle is imported from France and cost about rupees 600 per liter.